Lori. Welcome back to my teaching channel and to part 3 of making your teaching videos come alive with the Windows 10 video editor. Today we're going to talk about how to edit video clips, and we're also going to look at some of the fun special effects that you can add to your teaching videos. Let's get right into the tutorial.
First, let's add some video. I'll add some duck videos for my computer. For more info about adding media, watch part 1 of this video series. Place the video clips on the storyboard. I'd really like to begin and end my new video with the same swimming duck, so let's split the video into 2 parts. First, select the swimming duck video clip. We know we've selected the correct video clip because of the purple bar. We'll play the clip and stop at the desired place to split the video. Select Split. A new screen opens. The place to split the video can be adjusted in this window also. Pause the video when it is at the correct spot for the split and click Done. We now see that the swimming duck video is separated into 2 parts. The parts can be rearranged by dragging. Let's put one swimming duck at the end. When I am making teaching videos, I often use this feature to split a video and take out the parts I don't like. Now, let's try trimming a video clip. Select a video and click on Trim. Again, a new editing window will open. Play the video and pause at the new desired starting point. Move the purple slider bar on the left to line up with the pause starting position. When we press the triangle play button, the video will play at our new starting location. If we're not happy with the new starting location, we can adjust it at this point. Follow the same procedure for the ending location. Play the video and pause where we want the video to stop. Use the slider bar and place the slider bar at the location that we want to end the video. To complete the trim, click Done. Now, let's try adding some filters. Filters can be added to both videos and photos. For more information about editing photos, watch part 2 of this video series. Select the video clip to add a filter. Click Filter. A new window will open up with many filter choices. Click on the different filter options to preview the effects. Scroll down for more options, including fun options like arcade. When we have the desired filter, click Done. We can also change the speed of video clips. Let's make the swimming ducks swim really fast. Click Speed. A slider bar appears. Slide the bar to the desired speed, in this case fast. I always like to play back the clip to see if I like the effect. Just like photos and title cards, we can also add text to videos. Type in the text, choose the font and font location, and use the slider bar to set the duration of when the text appears during the video. For more information on adding text, see part 2 of this series. Now, let's add some 3D effects. Click on the video clip that you want to add the effect to. Click on 3D Effects. A new window will open. On the right-hand side, you will see a panel with different effects to choose from. Click on the 3D effect to try. The effect will be placed on top of the video clip. The size of the 3D graphic can be changed by dragging the corners of the image to make the image larger or smaller. There are also options to control the direction of the movement of the 3D object. Click the desired direction of movement. The 3D object can be anchored to an object in the video clip. For example, I can anchor the 3D effect to my swimming duck. Toggle the Attach to a Point slider to the On position. Some 3D effects also have sound effects. The volume of the sound effect can be adjusted with the slider bar. The length of the 3D effect can be adjusted with the slider bar under the preview screen. When you are happy with the effect, press Done. Some of the graphics are full screen, like these bubbles. There are many fun possibilities to add to your teaching videos.
In the next video, we'll look at ways you can enhance your video with audio by adding special sound effects, music, and narration. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for part 4